2022 Acura MDX. The new 2022 Acura MDX, the new crossover, previewed in October as a prototype, will serve as the luxury brand's new flagship offering, which comes with a ton of standard kit. It receives an all-new interior, the latest technology, and the first Acura Type S badge on a crossover, which will arrive in 2021. The Acura MDX Sport Hybrid with a 3.0-liter V6 paired with a single electric motor. It produces 321 horsepower, more than the 290 horsepower produced from the 3.5-liter V6, that put the hybrid atop the MDX lineup. However, Acura is slapping the Type S badge on the next generation model, giving the sporty SUV a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, producing 355 horsepower, and 479 Nm of torque, supplanting the hybrid as the model's performance pick. Acura brings over and refines the DLX interior design language to the MDX, which is great. The new MDX features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Amazon Alexa, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Qi-compatible wireless charging are included. Passengers are comforted with standard 12-way adjustable front seats that feature 3-way heat settings and 3-way memory. The A-Spec trim adds ventilation to them, while the Advanced package adds side bolster and thigh extension settings for 16-way power front seats. The new level of performance is paired with an all-new design, with the Type S getting some unique features. Acura announced the Type S would offer Brembo front brake calipers, a 1000-watt 25-speaker sound system, and 9-mode massaging front seats. More information will be available closer to its on-sale date, which is scheduled for late summer 2021. The MDX Type S will also wear the crossover new sporty styling, thanks to the extended dash-to-axle ratio, and the brand's precision-crafted performance design philosophy. The front-wheel model returns 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. The all-wheel drive model suffers slightly, returning 19 miles per gallon city, 25 miles per gallon highway, and 21 miles per gallon combined. The 2022 Acura MDX will arrive soon, hitting dealer lots on February with a starting price of $46,900, which is a slight increase over the 2022 model, which Acura lists starting at $44,500. What do you think of 2022 Acura MDX? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.